Hey everyone, welcome back to Mental Picks. So for today's Amazon leads, we got a total of 41 deals, 33 coming from Amazon OA and then 8 coming from Amazon RA. So let's check some of the deals that we got for you. Let's check these deals from iHerb, this NutriCost deal that you could earn a profit of 9.55 with an ROI of 76%. Another one is this advanced clinical anti-aging cream with a profit of 7.76 with an ROI of 40%. And lastly, this deodorant roll-on unscented crystal mineral deal with a profit of 7.41 with an ROI of 49%. There you go, guys. Check out the rest of the items that we got for you today because we got great leads and finds for you. If you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some options like this, for example, review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. A bot operated channel that we got for you is this Amazon to Amazon monitoring or A to A flips, wherein you could see all the latest deals from Amazon that you could also sell to Amazon. So check out all the items that we got for you. Another bot operated channel is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop from these websites. So check them out because it ranges from 30 up to 80% price drop depending on the sale per website. And lastly, our general and Amazon community that you could use to communicate, chat, and talk with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share achievements with. That would be all for recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.